everybody, welcome to my channel. So, a new Pokemon set recently came out called Sun and Moon Team Up, and it immediately caught my attention because of this team up here on the packs, which is Eevee and Snorlax. I love both Pokemon so much. There's some absurd ones like Wailord and Magikarp. I have bought some packs in real life, and I haven't gotten a single team-up card yet, a single tag team card yet. So, this will be exciting to see. Obviously, I've got 4 packs here for you today, so we'll open them together, see what we got. Maybe you'll see something new and exciting, or see if it's worth opening up some packs yourself. So let's get into it. Display. Primate. Not bad, not bad. Not bad, not bad. This is a really good card. I have this one in real life. Yeah. Overall decent pack. I think the Golduck and the Tentacruel are the standouts. Even though they're the uncommons, they're the ones that appeal to me the most. Bam! Oh my goodness, yes! Okay. Mr. Mime GX. My fiance has this card. And it is amazing. Like, he has won so many games because of it. I'm so happy to get this. Also, I play a lot of Psychic decks, so he's gonna be super useful. I'm so excited about that. I like this Kakuna a lot. That's pretty nice. Okay, well that's a good one. I like this. This is the best one in the pack. Another Doublade. It'd be really nice to have the basic. Ooh! Oh, what's this? Oh, I like that. I like that muck, actually. This is the Pokemon from the last set that was on the cover of everything. This is my first copy of it. It's not, like, blow your mind amazing, but it will be going into my electric deck. And there's another one of the Tentacruel I liked, another one of the Golduck that I really liked. In my opinion, they're still probably the best 2 cards in this pack, but everyone could disagree. The last one, guys. Bam! Not bad, that's pretty decent there. Sorry about the snuffly, I have really bad allergies right now. That's interesting. Yeah, I'm not really sure what the standout here is. This is an interesting card. I'm not sure. I mean, it does a lot of damage, so that's good. But it only has 100 HP. So I'm not really sure how the balance out is. Although it is probably the best card in the pack. So thank you guys for joining me, being here to witness my Mr. Mime victory. I will see you next time. Bye!